Hello everyone, today we learn about bias stability. Without wasting any time, let's begin. We will talk about the bias stabilizations. So the stability of any circuit is the measure of how sensitivity the circuit is to the variation in the external parameters, and for BJT stability is very important parameter, particularly whenever to the following amplifier. So for parameter, and as the temperature changes, the value of these parameters also changes, and the change in any of these parameters can causes the drift in the design operating point. For example, as the temperature increases, the value of beta will also increases. Similarly, with the increase in the temperature, the voltage between the bias emitter junction will reduce, and this reverse saturation current also increases with the rise in the temperature, and in fact the reverse saturation current almost gets double in a value with every 10-degree rise in the temperature. So due to the change in all these parameters, collector current IC also changes. So let us take one simple example, and through the example let us understand how the change in the value of beta and the reverse saturation current. So this collector current, so for that the assume that BJT is biased in the fixed bias configuration. So let the fixed bias configuration, the base current IB is set to 30 microampere and 25 degree centigrade for the given value of beta. The operating point is almost set at the center of the load line, and here this is reverse saturation current at T is equal to 25 degree centigrade. Now if the temperature increases to 100 degree centigrade, then both beta current will increase. So now if you see at 100 degree centigrade, then its value of the reverse saturation current is more. And also due to increases in the value of beta, the spacing between the curves will also increases, because IC is equal to beta times IB. So due to that, now the collector curve will look like this. Now there BJT bias is to IB is directly proportional to base resistance, and over here of course we are assuming that the voltage VB is not changing with the temperature. That means the value of base current IB will also remain 30 microampere. So due to that, with the increase in the value of beta, now the current IC has been increased, and now the operating point has moved towards the saturations. Now suppose if you use the same circuit in the amplification at this temperature, then there will be consideration distortion of the output, and that's why to operate the BJT in the environment where changing continuously the stability, very important parameter.